Fix in 5. P0472. Exhaust pressure sensor low signal. Indicates sensor malfunction or X. If your scanner through this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, possible loss of power or reduced engine performance, rough idle or hesitation during acceleration, increased exhaust smoke, diesel engines, potential turbocharger boost issues. Now the most likely causes. Defective exhaust back pressure sensor. Broken or corroded wiring to EBP sensor. Loose or damaged sensor connector. Exhaust system blockage or restriction. Failed ECM sensor circuit. How to fix it. Replace exhaust back pressure sensor. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness. Clean or replace exhaust system components if blocked. Clear fault code after repair and perform test drive. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €45-120 doing it yourself, or €105-180 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0472? Short trips may be possible with P0472 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium-severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0472. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.